Hello and welcome to Amphibi Crochet, the YouTube channel that brings you gorgeous pattern roundups for you to crochet. Today we're going to talk about spring flowers, or at least flower crochet patterns that give me this nice springy feeling. You know what I'm talking about. Let's get started. Well, sit back and get comfortable because there's a lot of crochet patterns we're going to go through. Let's start with these gorgeous Tulip Coasters. They're adorable, they're colorful, and they're very, very easy to make. And you can make them in your favorite colors. And they're absolutely, absolutely fun. Great gift as well to make for someone. And let's take a look at these crocus bulbs. Very sweet. I love their little faces. Very decorative and very nice and colorful. Those are definitely spring flowers. And look at the little detailed stems and whatever, stamens and stems. I have no idea what that's called in English. We can take a look inside of the flower as well. So, so cute. And these little pansies, I think they're called. Our great stash busters, as you can tell, you can make them in different colors. You don't need a lot of yarn, and the result is quite stunning. You can make them a little bit more frilly like this one, or flatter like the one in the back. Very nice. I love that leaf pattern behind there as well. Gives you can make a little card. You can use them as appliques or make a whole bouquet of them, like in here. Gorgeous colors, that purple and white. Absolutely beautiful. Very versatile. A different kind of pansy, this one. A crochet pattern for Mother's Day. I'm gonna have some more crochet pattern roundups for Mother's Day, but this one is indeed very suitable for Mother's Day. It's a happy smiley pansy with holding a little banner in its leaves, leafy hands, with "I love you" on it. It's adorable. This is the back. Here it's made as a cover for a little pot, so you can put stuff in, or nice little goodies, or nice little chocolaties, or whatever, or something that your mom really likes. It's adorable. It's really cute. I have a lot of photos of this. Next one, Hyacinth Bulb. Again, with the happy kawaii face. This is a lot of work. Lots of little flowers, but the result is absolutely adorable. I love the little root system there as well. Very, very springy in its colors, and hyacinth, of course, a gorgeous flower. Here's a sunflower pillow. Very sweet. I love that it's only like a quarter of the sunflower on there, like an extreme close-up. Love the color scheme. Very nice, very decorative, and also nice to snuggle with. We're getting closer and closer. And here are some more abstract flowers, I suppose, sort of roses clumped together. As here is used as a decoration for a very sweet little summer hat or spring hat. And here is a model wearing that sort of cloche hat. It's very adorable, and different kinds of flowers you can put on there. Very nice. I love the sort of over the top flower on this one. Absolutely beautiful. Very decorative, and it just gives you that new life and outdoor colorful type of feel. Another pillow, this one with more of a 3D touch in the petals of the flower. Very nice, colorful, and a nice decorative item, and also to fumble with, I suppose, with the little petals for people who need that sort of thing. Here is a flat design of flower, sort of abstract. I love this two-tone color scheme, both in the petals or the leaves as in the flowers themselves. You can use those in any type of way. You can use an applique, and I think here's the leaf. If you sort of put them together, you can make them into a nice long, well, table runner, I suppose. You have to make a lot of them. But it gives a nice spring vibe in your home. It's a great decorative thing. But you can also make just a few, put them on, slap them on a card, and send someone nice greetings for, well, spring, I suppose. Here's a more 3D type of flower, gorgeous. Lots of work. This you take a little bit of. It takes a little bit of time, I suppose, but it's definitely worth it. Sort of a Dahlia type of flower, I suppose. I love that sort of fluffy 3D feel of it. Here's a different kind of flower, but also very, very nice. You can use this for anything like decorations or just put it as is, or put it on a wreath like here. This is the back and this is the front, and it's filled with gorgeous little flowers. Very nice. Colorful flower wreath. Perfect for the hanging on your door. Here more of a daisy pattern, different kind of flower hearts. You can make them flat, big or small, or more 3D. And they're quite big, quite nice. Use them for applique purposes on anything and anytime you want to. More applique here with tulip patterns. I love the rigid stitching in this pattern. Very nice. And here are little, I don't know what they're called, petunias. I've no my flower knowledge is primroses. Ah, thank you, Planet June. Well, I don't even know what they're called in Dutch, so it's not surprising I don't know what they're called in English. You can make them make your own little flower pot with these cute little flowers, flower plants, of course. Very nice. And here's a whole work of art in colorful flowers. Here's a bit of a close-up of that. It's not very complicated or difficult, but the effect is fantastic. And you can adjust the color scheme that you want to suit your personal decor style. This is more of a daffodil, if I'm not mistaken. Sort of flattened daffodil or even daisy. Again, these are tulips. Ah, thank God, I know one. Look at this bear. How adorable is that? It's absolutely cute. But the focus today is on the tulips. Sort of 3D stuffed tulips there. Very nice. These are made in nice pastel colors. Perfect for spring. Look how gorgeous that is. Very nice. Quite a different kind of flowers here. More of a decorative, perhaps for like a little artwork on the wall. Here's another hyacinth. This one is made with not all separate little flowers like the one before, but rather with the bubble stitch or popcorn stitch. Works up a little bit faster, and that's good for everyone, I suppose. Little flower bulbs here. Again, I love the little root system. It's very adorable. If you don't have a garden or somewhere that you can actually see those flowers in real life, this might be a great alternative. It really brings the spring spirit into your home. And these are some poppies, I suppose, in different colors. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at I don't know if there's a close-up. But look at the details. Let's take a look at zooming in. The details of the heart of the flower. Absolutely beautiful. And making them different sizes and with different other flowers makes a nice little bouquet, I suppose. Very, very nice. They're perfect also for like boutonnières. These are some funky tulips. I love it. They actually exist, these tulips with the more pointy leaves. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. And here you can see the I suppose the secret to putting them straight and solidly in a flower pot. Absolutely sweet and gorgeous. Gorgeous flower, this one. Beautiful. I love the little heart, but the leaves are absolutely spectacular. Massive flowers. I love that there are also little buds in there and the little leaves. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Can't praise this one enough. Here's the tulips again, and this time a little boy is holding one. It's adorable. It really is. And apparently frogs love them as well. Oh, it's so cute. Here's another sort of dahlia flower, and this one is put on a stem, so you can make a whole bouquet of them. This one is a more of an abstract flower with beads as a heart and nice little different kinds of leaves. Perfect, 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 like a brooch or a boutonniere. Different colors, funky style, I love it. Very boho. And an itty bitty flower pot here, or plant pot. Let's see if there's, oh yeah, I can make different, put different colors in, different flowers. And they're adorable. Make them into a fridgie as well, fridge magnet. All right, let's go continue on with this one. Bloom, it says. It's a pillow, and it says bloom. Very nice. I love the size, perfect size for this chair. But you can also look at this. This one is nice too, by the way. And you can't have enough fruit, but this is a very nice pillow. The pillows with words in this scripty font, I should say, are very popular, and why not make your own? Here's a Narcissus bulb, again with the cute again with the cute kawaii face and the root system. And this is a very nice one. I think they're called daffodils also. Two-tone color one, gorgeous. We're going to make them in the traditional yellow. But this one is very cute as well. Gerbera, I don't know how you pronounce it. Very colorful, beautiful flowers in real life, but also in its crochet form. I love the different colors and the different sort of states of the flower. It's almost, this one is opening up and this one is completely opened, and the greenery in there really makes it a very nice bouquet. Absolutely gorgeous. And these don't need water. I just want to reiterate. And they look stunning, and they will look stunning all year round. Very nice. Gorgeous. Well, that's it for this whole spring flower pattern roundup. I hope you found your favorite amongst these gorgeous flower crochet patterns, and that will sort of bring you into this in a happy, colorful spring vibe that we can all use a bit more of this year, given all that's going on in the world. I hope you have a fantastic time crocheting for yourself, or perhaps as a gift to someone who could use a little pick-me-up these days. And so I wish you happy crocheting.